Why, that's my old yo-yo.
Yo-yo?
It's a toy you hang on your finger and bounce on the string. Watch.
Whoa! How did you do that, Mama?
I'll tell you, Maya. Come and look. This is a picture of me when I was your age. Back then, I won the Everyday Yo-Yo Championship, doing tricks with this very yo-yo.
You did? That's amazing! What other tricks can you do?
Lots. There's rock the baby,
Yay!
walk the dog. And whenever I finish my yo-yo practice, it looks like a big plate of spaghetti.
Those yo-yo tricks would be perfect for show and tell. Can you teach me how to use the yo-yo, Mama?
Of course, Maya. We can start you off with a throw called a sleeper. First of all...
Uh-oh.
Not so fast, Maya.
Aww.
Hold your hand like this. Then bend your arm, lift and throw.
Hand like this, bend your arm, lift and throw. Aww. How can I show off the yo-yo if I can't do any tricks?
Getting good at anything takes work, Maya. I practiced every day for ages before I was good enough to be a yo-yo champion.
But I don't have time to become a yo-yo champion by tomorrow.
Why don't you keep looking in the boxes and see what else you can find? I'll help you.
No need, Mama. I just had a great idea.
It's the next day at school and time to see what Maya's brought for show and tell.
Next up is Mya Go. Maya, what have you got to show us?
I was going to tell you about an old yo-yo I found, but I didn't have enough time to practice, so I can't show it to you properly.
Oh, that's a shame. Did you bring something else?
Yes, I did. For show and tell today, I have brought my Mama. Mya Go, our real-life yo-yo champion.
Hello, children.
Maya has brought Mya Go to show off the yo-yo. Good thinking, Mya Go.
That was cool. I didn't know yo-yos could do that.
The disco will be starting soon.
Nearly there, Mya Go.
Dadago certainly likes his hair gel.
Yucky.
This disco is for the kids, Dadago, not us, remember?
Well, there's nothing wrong with wanting to look good. Right?
Ah, disco classic. The Twisty Moves by Brother Pledge.
Disco? No, this is just practice for the real disco. Wee! Sammy likes disco!
Great disco lights, Mya Go.
Ooh, we gotta do the twisty moves.
This disco is for the kids, Mama, not us. Remember?
Let's hope they can fix him.
Don't worry. You're at the toy hospital now. I'm going to listen to your heartbeat.
Teddy's looking better already.
I'm going to take your temperature. Hold still. Not too hot.
Are we ready to fix his arm?
Ready.
Don't worry, Mya Go knows what she's doing.
The last little piece? Perfect.
He's going to look like a new Teddy. All because of the toy hospital.
There we are, all done.
He really does look as good as new.
Thanks, Mama. He's my favorite toy ever now. But the monster comes out in the dark. Big! Scary!
Big and scary.
Where?
Dada, the monster is in here. Look! There it is!
Aha!
That's just the shadow of the cuddly toy lion. See?
Oh!
Watch this. Maya, shine your torch on the sheet.
Greetings, Earthlings!
We come from space. We are shadow aliens.
When you block the light, it creates a shadow. See if you can guess what this is. I like carrots and I hop, hop, hop.
Bunny.
Hello, Sammy.
I'm Shadow Bunny.
And a woofing rascal.
Look out, Bunny Shadow. It's a shadow doggy.
It looks like Doggy Go has heard a noise.
They're only shadows, Doggy Go. Can I have a go? I'm big and furry. I have paws with claws, and I like to sleep a lot during the winter. What am I? Where? Rawr, rawr. You're right.
It's lost. I'm very sorry, everyone.
It doesn't matter. Why don't we go home and have lunch there instead?
That's not the same as a picnic.
We'll do it again another day. And we did have quite an adventure looking for the basket.
And I got to help Dada.
And you did a very good job.
Finally, we're home.
Dada, look! It's the picnic basket.
Oh, I must have forgotten to put it in the boot. That's what happens when you rush.
But we found it. Hooray!
It's too late to go back to the park now.
Let's have the picnic right here, in our very own garden.
That's a wonderful idea, Mya.
Yummy.
Hands up who'd like a cup of lemonade.
I do!
No surprises there, then.
Having a picnic here is just as much fun as having it in the park.
That's because it's who you have the picnic with that matters most, not where you have it.
That's why this has been the best Mother's Day ever, being here in the garden with all of you.
You know, actually, that's just the way I planned it. Well, almost.
We don't believe you for a second, Dada Go. Mama Go likes skimming stones too. She'd like to skim a stone herself before the Go family return home. Ah, a new record.